Welcome to my soldering station, and today, finally, I got all my new Mega Squirt goodiness. And even though I bought a Mega Squirt 2 processor, so to start off this small series of modifications that I'm going to be doing the LM1518 on this little printed circuit board that I got from J-Car. You can pretty much do anything, and I've already gone through all of this kind of stuff, and I've already made up like a wiring diagram of how I'm going to put this all together. So, let's get to work, shall we? I should probably be using a standoff for this, but I don't really have one, so it'll have to do. I've never had great luck with soldering, but I've done okay. I did learn how to properly solder professionally, but that was many moons ago. So what I'm doing is I'm heating up the PCB first, and then touching the component. Hey, that one came out really nicely. That's no good. Much better. Feels as if this board is pre-fluxed. 300R. 5 watts, 330R, 300R. There we go. $18K. I think this $18K is maybe just a little bit overkill. So place one more over. 330 PF. Goes from there. 2 over. Oh, I've stuffed up. I got the wrong capacitors. I got a 0.3033 instead of a 0.33 UF. Okay, so that one's gonna have to go to the wayside for now. We'll just ignore that, pretend I didn't make that brilliant mistake. Mistakes have been made! Shops are closed! 1 meg. Now I bought that separately. I suppose we'll find it separately as well. It's somewhere. So I can solder what I've got so far, and tomorrow we will go to the shops. Might help to turn the soldering iron on. Wait, have I made a mistake? What have I done here? Oh, I'm missing one. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot to put it in. That's why I work from pile to pile, so then I know that if there's stuff left over here, that means I've done something wrong. So here is the first part. Got all of the components that I've got so far already attached, soldered on. Now all we need is some bridges and whatnot, and some appropriately width wire, because currently the only wire I seem to have on hand is 3mm 10 amp wire. Yeah, a little bit of overkill here. So we have our capacitor, and we found the 1K resistor, the 1M resistor, sorry. And the reason why I had such trouble finding this is because I'd forgotten how ginormous the bag was that it came in. Like, just... why? So here we go. Got another bit of wire coming along here. And this goes from number 2. And goes directly down. You know what, well, we have these ends. These ends. Nice, that worked really well. So what we're doing is basically creating little jumper lines which I've indicated on my wiring diagram. And it's fairly simple. We create an L shape, put it in there, line it up, solder it in. But when we're doing things that are more than just a single jump, really have some shielded wire. As much as possible, shielded wire is the way to go. This stuff, so much better at cleaning off soldering irons. If you're ever needing to strip or delaminate wires, these tools are very, very handy. But maybe don't get one like mine, because mine was free. I got mine for free because it was all rusty and shit. It's so much better than trying to delaminate with a pair of scissors or a knife or something. Oh, these are soldering so nicely. Not sure if 11 and 9 are meant to connect, but yeah, they just go straight to ground. Oh no, some of the PCB is coming off the board. Another way of putting it is the PC is coming off the B. There, that's a fairly good bridge across there now. The only one left is now none. I'm done. Now we cut these off. Alright, let's double check our work. That is messy. We'll do one last little touch up here. There we have one finished PCB. All good and dandy. Everything is laminated properly, all connected, all set up correctly. We're done. Next episode, we'll be doing some stuff with the Mega Squirt itself, like doing the spark up and putting on the new processor on the version 2.2 board, which very explicitly is recommended against in the Mega Squirt manual type thing. Ugh, but oh well, I'm doing it. It's what I have, and I'm not wasteful. Find the instructions in the link below.